Namaste, welcome back to Yogisha channel, Satyanarayan from Yogisha. Today this video is going to be about the leg cramps, nocturnal leg cramps which people have. Many people are having problem with the knees, with the calf muscles and the heels also. So it is again like nocturnal leg cramps. Nocturnal means night, leg cramps. Okay, this leg cramp normally people get when the people sleep in the night. So in Tamil they tell this as Kal Kodachal. Okay, so let us see how to ward off this problem. Okay, so we will just see how what are the exercises we can do for this. Thank you. The first thing is, see, we can just do it on the floor itself. Okay, now these are the toes. Now first is the toes has to be spread and bring it closer. Okay, the same thing we can just do. Okay, spread the toes and bring it closer, spread the toes and bring it closer. Now next is, see, do it like this. Only the big toe is coming up and all the other toes are going down. Can you see that? Okay, see, and now this way the big toe is coming down and the all the other toes are going up. Right, now if you see, you can take the wall support and do this up down. So we are working on the calf muscles. Work on the calf muscles. We can do it near the step also. If you have a step, okay, you can just do the same thing. The next is, you have to stand on the heels. This is called as plantar extension. Plantar extension. And you can just walk also. You can do all these things, okay, all these works throughout the day. Whenever you find time, you can just do it. You don't have to find a separate time for this. Okay, up down, up down. Now just imagine you have a step. You can do this. So that is a yoga block which I am having. So if you do this, your hamstrings and mainly your calf muscles are getting extended. Okay, next is, see, right, now see, you can just a yoga mat, use a yoga mat for this. Press it. Press it. The main problem with all of us is we don't have the ankle flexibility. See, this ankle flexibility, this type of flexibility is normally missing in many people. That is one reason why people fall down also after 60 or something, because they find it difficult to balance. The foot becomes very rigid. So now it is not rigid. See, now there is a lot of movement. So if you have to step on something like, then you can do some adjustment and you can stop. Okay, after 60 this flexibility is missing, so it is very difficult to balance and people fall down. Now you can use a ball like this. See, let us do it on the mat. Stand or sit. See, very simple workouts. So this is the plantar massage. It's called as a plantar massage. So this is very good. Okay. Now see, try to extend, try to press your feet, okay, on the ball so that it extends, it opens up. See, push it down, push it down. You can see that. So this is the flexibility which we need. Other side. Right? Now step on this and pump. So we have very minute muscles and nerve endings in the extremities, and they need to get the right supply of blood and the nutrients which is normally missing because of the gravitational effect. Right? So these are the workouts, and I'm just going to teach you one more workout, very simple though. See, we have a doormat here, right? Doormat or a cloth. So what you have to do is, see, pull this with your toes 10 or 10, 15 times, 20 times. You can keep on doing it throughout the day whenever you find time. You see that? Now, if possible, try to hold it and lift. It may not be possible on the very first day for elder people. Right? So these are the very simple workouts which we can do. And I'm just going to teach you one more thing also. Now see, this is again the ankle flexibility which you need. And try to push it down, try to push it down. Okay, so these are the very few workouts which you can do to gain the ankle flexibility and reduce the pain in the night. Thank you. Please subscribe for the channel so that you will get more videos in the future. Thanks, and please share this video to your friends and family. Thank you.